How to see channels info on WhatsApp web on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. Log into your account. Then on the left side, you will find channels. Click on channels. And then you will find arrow-like option beside the channel that you're in. Click on channel info. Then you'll be able to see channel info on the right side as you can see. You can also right click and click on channel info if the arrow does not show up. And this is how to see channels info on WhatsApp web on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.